If setting the goal is based in a marriage decision and both partners believe that marriage is long term, then the goal is sufficient along with a work ethic needed to maintain and sustain commitment to that goal. However, if one of the partners, whether in a marriage or long-term relationship, does not believe in long term, the capacity of the relationship to move beyond momentary impulses into long-term thinking, then setting a goal to become irreplaceable is a waste of time. The goal is selfish. So not only the person who wants to replace you, not only is that person selfish, but the fact that you want to replace you is also selfish. Because in trying to please that person, you are basically replacing yourself, who you are as a true person. You are putting on a mask in a sense, right? So in both regards, you both are selfish. The goal of becoming irreplaceable is selfish on both sides. It is selfish because there are greater goals that can be fulfilled. Pursuing the goal of becoming irreplaceable blinds one against pursuing goals of good health and wellness, sound finances, and the hope of finding someone for whom one does not have to pursue such a goal. It is the metaphorical crossroads decision that requires you to base a decision off the need for grit and the need for self-control.